Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO P101, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like for example, Contacts. Now select one of your apps, like Gmail, and tap on the best option for you from the list of available ones. Allow or deny. I will go with deny, so when I click, in this case I need to choose deny anyway in the pop-up. And finally, go back. As you can see, after that, Gmail no longer has access to my device's contacts. But you can always select any feature and then look for an app that you wish to manage, like Camera. Now, instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Camera Permissions and manage all of those only for chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!